Today is night 1 of our skin cycling routine. So our night 1 routine created for us by ChatGPT is an exfoliation night. So our exfoliation night, our products that we're going to be using is the Mighty Bamboo Cream, is going to be the Bliss AHA, BHA, PHA blend liquid peel. This is how it looks. And then we're going to go in with this Co's hyaluronic acid for calming and all that. So the first product we're going to start with is our Bliss. So if you know very well, or you have seen skincare routines, you know not to let your applicator touch your skin. So you're just gonna drop. And before applying these products, make sure your face is clean, washed already before you go in with your products. I already washed my face, so my face is actually clean. And this routine is going to help us with our acne scars, breakouts, hyperpigmentation. And this is customized to my skin. If you want to know, I have oily skin, acne prone skin, and hyperpigmentation. So those are my skin problems. So right now I have the Bliss applied on my skin, and I'm going to just rub it in. Normally they say tap it in, but I sometimes do that, sometimes I don't, because I tend to forget. Like, oh, when I'm tapping, I tend to forget and I start swiping. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. If my hands tap, it taps. If it swipes, it swipes. So this is how it's looking, only with the Bliss product. And actually wait and make sure your product dries down on your skin. I also have like a little handy dandy hand fan, so I can just turn it on and just use it on my skin while applying. As you can see, this already gave me like a good glow, which I like. I love a glowy skin. Not oily skin, glowy skin. But this is how we're looking with the first product. And the second product, I'm gonna go in with this Co's hyaluronic acid, and you just fold back and forth and twist, and that opens up the vial. Again, don't let the product touch your face. I'm just gonna make a few drops. And I like when skincare brands actually make product in vials like this, so I don't have to have like a big bottle of a product just sitting down. I could just have minis like this. And any brand that reach out to me that has this product, I love using it, because as soon as I'm done with this, I can actually dispose it instead of having a big thing or a big container of hyaluronic acid just sitting there till I'm completely done with it. I don't like that. As you can see, like I said, you can either tap it into your skin or swipe it, or whatever you're feeling at the moment. I sometimes tap, I sometimes swipe. I always think tapping takes forever, so I swipe a lot. Majority of the time you see me swiping my skin, so it's up to you, whatever you feel. So as you can see, I still have like this much left, so I haven't used it all, so I'm just gonna save it for another day that I might need it. So I'm just gonna turn on my little fan, let it dry off. You want to let it dry for a minute before applying the next product to your skin. So since this step is only a 3-product step, which I love, we don't need a 10-step routine for night skincare, so I love it. Our last product, we're gonna go in with this Puerto Rico Soul Bamboo Panthenol Cream, and we're just gonna seal everything up with this. You really don't need a lot. I'm just gonna apply that much, and if I need more, I can always go into the bottle. And this is so lightweight for the skin. I love it. And this is how we are looking for night 1. Night 1 exfoliation night. We're looking pretty good. Our skin is looking good. You saw how my skin looked like before, and this is how my skin looked like. My problem areas are right here, so we're gonna use this as a daily tracker to see if like we're seeing any improvement. You can see right here, those are my problem areas. And sometimes my forehead to be given, but we're not gonna say too much about that, okay? So remember, just track this area, and this area, for let's see if we get any results. Stay tuned. Come back for day 2, and our night 2 actually is a retinol and a barrier support. So you know how your skin breaks out is because your skin barriers is bad. So our night 2 is barrier support. So make sure you come back for day 2. Night 2, day 2, whatever one you want to call it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whatever you can do to come back to this video. Just go ahead and do it. Comment down below if you're struggling to figure out what products to use and all that, or what a product is for, and we can go from there. Let's chat in the comment section. I'm open to anything. All right guys, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.